Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: the magic tunnels. Unmasking VXLAN for modern data centers. Hey Network Explorers! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun. Today, we're diving into something super cool that's making modern data centers absolutely sing. VXLAN. If you've ever felt like traditional networking hit a wall, get ready, because we're about to unmask some serious magic. My journey to becoming a data center engineer is all about learning these game changers. And I'm stoked to share this one with you. Remember our good old VLANs? They're fantastic for segmenting networks. But they come with a few O's for today's massive data centers. The big one? Only 4,094 unique VLAN IDs. Imagine an apartment building with only 4,094 apartment numbers. What if you need more? Plus, they struggle with extending Layer 2 domains across large, geographically dispersed data centers without getting messy. They're like trying to fit a supersized cloud burger into a regular bun. Modern data centers need to be incredibly agile. Think about cloud providers, massive virtual machine farms, containers, and microservices. They all demand huge scalability, flexibility, and the ability to move workloads anywhere, instantly. Traditional VLANs just can't keep up with this dynamic. Move fast and break things safely. Environment. We need something that can create millions of network segments and make them flexible across a vast infrastructure. Alright, drumroll please. Enter VXLAN, Virtual Extensible Local Area Network. This isn't just a fancy acronym. It's a superhero. Imagine building a secret, super fast highway asterisk on top of your existing roads. That's essentially what VXLAN does. It creates virtual Layer 2 networks that stretch across a Layer 3 IP-based underlay network. It's all about extending your network's reach and flexibility without ripping and replacing your entire physical infrastructure. Mind blown. How does it work? It's all about encapsulation. Think of it like sending a special package. Your original Ethernet frame, the actual data, is like your letter. VXLAN takes that letter, puts it into a special VXLAN envelope, adding a VXLAN header, and then puts that special envelope into a regular shipping box. A UDP IP header. This box can now travel across any IP network, completely unaware of the original Layer 2 boundaries. The devices doing this magical wrapping and unwrapping are called VTEPs. VXLAN tunnel endpoints. Within that special VXLAN envelope is something super important: the VNI, or VXLAN Network Identifier. This is where the massive scalability comes in. Instead of just 4,094 VLANs, VNIs give us a whopping 16 million unique identifiers. That's like having a unique, secret club ID for every single virtual network you could ever dream of creating. This allows for unparalleled multi-tenancy and network segmentation, keeping different customer networks or applications completely isolated, even on the same physical infrastructure. So, why is VXLAN such a big deal? 1. Massive scalability. Millions of segments. 2. Flexibility and agility. VMs can move anywhere in the data center without network reconfiguration. 3. Multi-tenancy. Securely isolate countless customers or applications. 4. Network abstraction. It decouples your virtual network from your physical network, making things incredibly dynamic. 5. Overlay magic. It uses your existing IP network, underlay, as a robust foundation to build incredibly flexible virtual networks. Overlay. On top. It's like having a stable foundation and then building dynamic, flexible structures on top. You've just peeled back the curtain on one of the most critical technologies in modern data centers. VXLAN isn't just theory. It's powering the cloud, driving automation, and making networks more agile than ever before. Understanding this concept is a huge step on your journey to becoming a data center engineer. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, with VXLAN, the network possibilities are virtually endless. What cool tech should we unmask next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.